Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be opening the Boxycharm base box for January 2021. My box actually just came. It came on January 16th. As a matter of fact, I got my Boxycharm December Luxe box along with my January box at the same time. That's a whole other story. I actually filmed my December unboxing as well, and I'm going to be loading both of them on my channel at the same time because of the delay with the December box, which I'll explain and put a link to this video so you can see it. In any case, let's get into this video and let's open the January 2021 Boxycharm box. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. And if you return to my channel, I appreciate you. Let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we're unboxing the January 21 Boxycharm base box. So let me tell you how Boxycharm works. Again, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. They're all full-size products inside. So my box costs $25 monthly. I'm living in Canada, so I like to talk about the conversion and how fast it gets here. So in terms of this box, my card was debited on January 2nd because of the holidays, and my box arrived on January 16th, which isn't bad for international shipping. Obviously, there can always be improvements, but for now, I'm gonna say that's not a problem. I did have a very big issue when it came to my December box, which I just posted a video on as well, so you'll get to see that and see exactly what happened with my box. But in any case, let's open the January 2021 box and see how it goes. So let's get into it. Okay, so I like to start with the theme. So first of all, this box is pink inside. And this time, this is what the card looks like. And it says fresh start. Oh, which is ideal. It's new year, you know, fresh start. So let's see what's in there. I can kind of start peeking. The way the box is open, I can already start seeing what's in there. In any case, let's get into it. So the first thing that comes out at me, it says Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, which is this guy here. And it says, let's see, Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, essential oil of sweet orange and coconut. Give the lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. It says it's packed with vitamin C and it retails for $33. Let's open it up. If you've watched my December video, you know I'm gonna prepare and do a giveaway on my IG page. So if you're not following me, please see the link to my IG page and follow me there, and I'm gonna give a giveaway for some items that, you know, I've gotten from Boxycharm that I'm gonna gift to one of my subscribers and one of my followers from Instagram. So this is what this looks like. It's a green packaging. Let's smell it, because it does talk about having, I don't know, I don't really smell anything. Maybe when it comes out. Oh, it's creamy. I do like that. It has a cream-like consistency. Smells good. Smells real good. Lipstick on, but it smells really good. It smells and feels really good on my lips. I like this. It smells really good. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, let's see what else there is. So that's one. So I'm going to do a tally at the end of the complete amount my box works out to be. The other thing, I see Dr. Brandt, which is a really good name. It says DNA, do not age with Dr. Brandt. Ooh, excuse me. Do not age with Dr. Brandt. That's what it says. And it says it's a triple peptide eye cream. So I'm having some problems in terms of sleep, so I think I need to start using an eye cream. So I'm going to test this one out. So let's see what it says. Guys, I'm telling you, this lip balm thing, it smells so good. I can't get enough. Okay, anyway, back to this. Dr. Brandt, do not age with Dr. Brandt triple peptide eye cream. It says this deeply hydrating peptide power cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, and it includes lines, wrinkles, dark spot, puffiness for a refreshing younger looking eyes. And it's this guy. It says it retails for $82, which is crazy. So that's number two. What else do I see? What is this? So it's a brush by Persona. It says Persona Cosmetic Power Brush, and it says a dual brush. Let me open it. I like getting brushes, especially because I threw out all of my makeup, like literally. You know, after a while, makeup expires and they just get old, and or you're into new things. I used to have like all these pigments. It ain't opening, sorry. I used to have all these pigments and stuff like that, and I just stopped using them. So this is the brush. I really like it. It's like that. You see it? Okay, so let's see what it says. Persona Cosmetics. It says this retails for $24. I'm gonna really like this. What else is in here? Sieta London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. Like lately, Boxycharm and these palettes, they're like, I can't. How much palettes do I possibly need? Like every single month to get a palette is just, it's too much. I can't even open it. It says it retails for $30. The packaging is pretty though. Like very, very, very nice packaging. I love the rose gold that it has. It's really pretty. I'll give it that. I don't have a problem. They're always good palettes. I just think they send too many. So let me show you what this looks. Oh, the colors are nice. Let me open it. Oops, let me just take this off. The colors are nice. Very, very, very nice. You see them there? I'm not going to do a swatch today because I think, as I said before, I'm going to put together a giveaway for someone on my channel and on my IG page. So I'm not going to swatch today, but I'll swatch as we go further. But for today, I'm not going to swatch because I want to give them as a giveaway. And I don't want them to be soiled, especially with COVID, and to give that to someone. So that is number 4 in terms of products that I received. The last one I have is this guy, which is from Pharmacy. And I absolutely love Pharmacy. So I would say this guy here. It says a Daily Green, which is a moisturizer. And let's see what it says. It says Pharmacy Daily Green Oil-Free Moisturizer, an oil-free and silicone-free moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving your skin feeling greasy. And it's vegan-free and cruelty-free, and it contains hyaluronic acid that's in here, and it helps to clear pores and reduce shine. I do like this. It retails for $38. I absolutely love Pharmacy, one of my favorite brands. I actually have a video coming up in a couple of weeks about Pharmacy and detailing like just my love for Pharmacy and the things that they use in their products and how naturally they are. So this is the last thing I have, so that takes it to number 5. I'm gonna do a quick total of what came into the box. Let's see what we have. So let's see quickly. 30 plus 38 plus 24 plus 82 plus 33. So 207 is the total of the box for this month. This is the January 2021 box. This is my variation code right there in the corner. I don't know why they're doing them so weird now, but that's the variation code. And my box came up to $207. I'm not gonna do a try on, as I said, and I'm not gonna do a swatch because I'm going to put together a giveaway for you guys. I always appreciate you watching my videos, and what better way than to give you guys something. So I'm going to put all the details of the giveaway on my IG page, so you can see the link in my description box for my IG profile, and then you can be able to enter in for the giveaway there. But this is the end of my video. This is a unboxing of the Boxycharm January 2021 box. I have the base box, which the cost is $25 a month. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. And if you're returning to my channel, I always appreciate you, and I'll see you again in my next video.